Oh, wait. Hey, guys. Oh, wait. Let me fix my hair. Okay, guys. I fixed my hair. Okay, guys. You remember, okay. I have a Sonic stuffed animal. I got it at the carnival. I got a Sonic stuffed animal from the carnival 4 years ago. Let me show you guys. Right there, Sonic the Hedgehog. I might use them in videos, so yeah. I'm gonna show you all the Sonic voices you wanna have. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog, and I'm the fastest thing alive. So, if y'all wanna see the video, well, come and see it. So, today, guys, okay, in three more days, I'm gonna get a Shadow the Hedgehog stuffed animal. So, yeah, see you guys in a video like three. I might see y'all in 3 videos, like 3 days. So, bye, guys, and like the video if you want to see a Sonic video. So, bye.